On a recent visit to Gulmarg, as I was sitting up high in the mountains in my cottage, from there I could see the rolling meadows. In fact, Gulmarg used to be called the Shepherd's Meadows, and it's the rolling downs that caught the eye of someone who later on developed it as a ski resort because it's high up and there is a lot of ice. Now, looking out into the meadows, a green roof caught my eye. On researching and asking, I found out that this is a very famous church that was built in 1901 or thereabouts. So the next day, I came down to this meadow. I had hurt my ankle, so I was limping, but that did not stop me. I was told that this church is very high up. I will not be able to go there, but then nothing deters me if I feel there's something of heritage which I must document. I found out that it was closed, so I called up the tourism office. They kindly sent somebody to open it for me. So I walked across the world's highest golf course to the St. Mary's Church in Gulmarg, and it was quite an experience. Walk along with me. The walk was quite long, and that I had twisted my ankle the evening before didn't help. However, the result was worth it. Set on top of a high hillock in the rolling meadows with lavender flowering all around, this church was built in 1902 with grey stone and wooden ceilings. It's built on the style of a countryside chapel and in the Victorian style. And it has, once you reach there, it has a porch, as many of the churches in India do, and I'm sure these are modeled after churches in England. And when you go inside, then you see the simplicity and the beauty of this church. But before that, the walk. The walk is quite long, but don't let it deter you because it's quite a beautiful walk. It took me some around 15-20 minutes to walk there from the golf club, and we had already ordered lunch there, so that was waiting for us, and I knew that we can go back and have a hearty lunch. So this walk is was worth it, and the last part of it is a little steep, but then I had help, so we managed to reach the church, and the side door was opened for us, and all around it you can see Gulmarg, and you can see the golf course and the tourist bungalows, and the other side there's a beautiful temple there also, and of course the trees and the greenery and the ice cap mountains are all around. There's a stone cross in front of the church, and this is the back of the church. And then we went inside, and once we went inside, the sight of the stained glass windows is amazing. The center window is, of course, Mother Mary with the child, and on one side you have what looked to me like St. George. I believe that these windows were repaired or restored by Intac, as they had been damaged down the years. There is still a bit of damage in one of the windows. The back of the church has this wooden jali over there, and the entire roof from inside is of course wooden, and that's what adds to the charm of these old churches. The wood, the vaulted wooden roof, the ceiling, and the thick stone wall. If you go to Gulmarg, do visit this church. You can ask the tourism office to open it for you.